Now let us see how to find the position of a point with respect to a parabola. So suppose that we are given the equation of some parabola in the standard form, and we are also given the coordinates of some point. So how do we know whether the point lies outside the parabola, inside the parabola, or on the parabola? Right. So for that, let us rewrite the equation in which all terms are on one side. So therefore we get the expression y square minus 4ax equal to 0. Okay, so the left hand side of that equation basically we call as the expression s symbolically. Now in this, if we substitute the coordinates of the given point, that is x1 y1, then we will get a numerical value which we call as s1, and based on this particular value of s1 we decide the position of the point. So that means, as mentioned here, if s1 is less than 0, then the point is inside the parabola, and by inside we mean it is this region, it is contained within that particular curve of the parabola. If s1 is equal to 0, then clearly it means that the point satisfies the equation of the parabola, so therefore it lies on the parabola. And lastly, if s1 is greater than 0, then it means the point lies outside the parabola, so therefore it is the last remaining region. Okay, so based on this we can find out the relative position of a point with respect to a parabola. Let's solve one question based on this. Examine the position of point 3, 4 with respect to parabola y square equal to 8x. Okay, now if we write the equation in the required form, that is bringing all terms on one side, so y square minus 8x equal to 0. So this left hand side is what we call as s, right? And therefore we have to calculate the expression s1 in which we put the coordinates of the point. So it is 4 square minus 8 into 3. We know that 4 square is 16 minus 3 are 24. Now we are actually not really interested in finding out the answer. We are just interested to know whether it is less than, greater than, or equal to 0. And this is clearly less than 0. So therefore the point lies inside the given parabola. That's the answer.